guys, it's Lisette here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my everyday makeup. And I also want to show you guys how I refresh my curls. So this isn't like my curly hair routine. This is actually day 3 hair. I also want to give a huge thank you to L'Oreal for partnering with me in this video. And with all that being said, let's get started. Before I start my makeup, I'm first going to prep my skin. So I'm first washing my face, of course, just so I can make sure my face is clean. After rinsing off and drying off my face, it's time for me to go into my next step. So for a few weeks now, I've been testing out this new product from L'Oreal. It's the Revitalift Derm Intensives 1.5% Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So what exactly is hyaluronic acid? It's something that is really helpful for anti-aging, and it's something that's recommended by dermatologists. It can help reduce and prevent wrinkles, and it also plumps your skin, so it makes you look very youthful. It doesn't feel tacky or sticky when you apply it onto your skin. It actually feels really smoothing, and it like instantly goes into your skin. This serum is really good for all skin types, especially sensitive skin, which is what I have, and it's fragrance free, so I love that, so I know it's not going to break me out. So you want to apply your products from lightest to thickest. So after cleansing, I'm just using about 2 to 3 drops, applying this on my face and neck, and after blending this in, I'm going in with the rest of my skincare routine. So serums like this can be pretty expensive, but the good thing about this is that it's drugstore and it's under $30, so it's very affordable. So starting on my hair, just so we can get this out of the way and I'm not looking crazy while I do my makeup the whole time, I sleep on a satin pillowcase, and I like to part my hair here with a satin scrunchie, and then I have this back part down just because I find that when I put this up in the bun as well, it stretches it all the way up. So then when I have it down, it ends up looking kind of weird. So I like to keep this the regular amount of volume, not stretched, and the top I like to have it stretched. First, I'm just going to do my edges really quick with my Eco Styler gel, and this is like a brand new one. I literally just got it, and I just give it a little swoop here and doing the other side. Taking this down and just kind of fluff it. For me personally, I like to let my hair kind of settle on its own because it's been up, so it needs to kind of come down, but this is day 3 hair. So I'm just gonna give my hair like a few minutes to just kind of like relax and settle into place, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. I usually just kind of like tuck these edges in, but yeah, something that I'm really learning is just to embrace frizz and just own it. You know, curly hair is frizzy sometimes, that's okay. For this little piece though, I do want to fix it just because I feel like this piece could use a little bit of help. I'm taking my spray bottle and I'm just gonna wet it just slightly and apply a little bit of gel on top and twirl it. So I curled a few pieces. I did these, and I also wet one back here, so they should dry while I do my makeup. Starting with foundation, I'm gonna start with my Fenty Foundation and just apply this on the back of my hand and just apply this all over my face. So my everyday makeup probably takes like 15 minutes just because lately I've been adding lashes, but other than that, if there's no lashes involved, then this probably takes like 10. Foundation's on. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Concealer, so it goes with the foundation. Put it under my eyes and on my nose. And just blend it down my nose real quick. For powder, I'm using my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm going to pack this under my eyes. I'm just going to take the sponge and just kind of blend out the powder a little bit and drag it to my cheek, forehead. For bronzer, I'm using one from MAC, and it's called Give Me Life. So I'm just going to swirl my brush in this and apply this onto my forehead and underneath my cheekbones. Now that the bronzer's on, I'm gonna move back to the eyebrows. So I just really quickly did my brows. I feel like you guys have seen me do my brows like 100 million times. I like to take the bronzer that I used before, and this is like the easiest thing ever, is just using your bronzer as eyeshadow. So I use this in my crease just to give my crease like some color and give my eyes some color. But I really don't want too much color because on a daily, I don't want like too much going on, you know? For blush, I'm using my all-time favorite from Tarte. This is one that I use, like, I show this all the time. It's in the shade Dazzled. For highlight, I'm using my favorite from Fenty Beauty. This is the Hustler Baby Duo. And so I just put this on my brush and just apply on my cheeks and a little bit above my brow. Liner's done. I just love lashes that go from small to large because it really helps with the cat eye look. Lashes are on. For my lips, I'm using this one from Makeup Forever. It is their Anywhere Caffeine Lip Pencil. And right on top, I'm just going to use my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb just to give my lips a glossy look and also to moisturize. So this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!